Hey you guys. Okay, so if you've ever watched the Goonies, you'd know why I did that. Basically, that's gonna be my new intro to the videos. I think that's kind of cool, original, interesting. Yeah, so let's jump with the title. We're expanding True. If you need or if you want an invite to True, and if you want a chance to be invited, be sure to comment down below, private message me, send me a thing on Twitter, do anything like that. If you buy no scope glasses, which again the link is so if you buy no scope glasses, which the link is in the description, you will have a better chance of getting into True. I will say that right now. I'm not trying to be a sellout, but I'm just saying, providing to the leader, one of the leaders of True, me and True Cynical are the leaders, so make sure that you ask us if you want to join. That will definitely give you some better background to you, a better profile for you, I guess. Basically, we're expanding True. We need trick shotters mainly. We're basically good on feeders right now. We just need 1 or 2 people to trick shot. We need an editor. Currently, me and True Cynical are the editors, but if we have a permanent one, that would be awesome. Again, you need to send like a 20-second clip of just you making a montage out of like 3 clips that you hit. It doesn't even have to be good. Could be like just getting a kill online, and then you slow it down, do a bunch of effects, whatever. We don't want it to be insanely crazy, coming at you like flashes everywhere. We want a subtle, cool, slowing down, 360 motion type that. If you can do that, be sure to come to us and make sure that you tell us that you are interested in joining True. Send us your clips, and we will definitely look at you. Okay guys, so now we're going into our next topic of today's video, and that is the new True members that we have in our clan. So if you didn't already know, True Savage, he used to be named Blazes. His account got hacked. More on that in the description below. Channel, link to his channel. He has a video on his channel talking about what happened. Yeah, be sure to check him out. He's one of our new True members, and yeah, he's awesome. So we literally just did it. We just invited True Speed to our clan. He's one of our good friends. He actually made my first banner, he made Preston's first banner, and he made True Savage's first banner, aka Reese. So he's going to be our designer. He's going to make our new logos. I might keep mine because I really like mine. Preston actually made that for me, so thank you. Link in the description. Yeah, he is now our official True designer. If you would like to be a designer, be sure to send us your pictures and stuff like that. We will definitely keep you as a contact for anything like that. But yeah, so welcome True Speedy to the clan. So I'll actually link his actual channel. It's called 2 Kids 2 Cameras. He does that with one of his friends, and actually one of my friends. They are pretty cool. They do a lot of interesting videos like reviews and stuff, unboxings, how-tos and stuff. So be sure to check them out. Yeah, that's basically this video. I hope you all enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.